Hi everyone, this is Vijay Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss the excellent trick to find out the ionic strength. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the three questions in ionic strength. Now we have to see first what is the definition of ionic strength. What is ionic strength? They measure the strength of the electric field applied in the electrolytic solution. That is called ionic strength. Okay. What is the mathematical formula? I is equal to half into summation of Ci into Zi square. What is Ci? The concentration of cation and anion. What is Zi? The concentration of anion and cation. The Ci is concentration. What is Zi? The charge of the cation anion. Okay. Using this formula, we use what? We find out what? The ionic strength of the following molecules. But today we are going to discuss about what? The excellent trick to find out the ionic strength. Okay. After seeing the trick, we solve the questions one by one. Okay. See the trick now. What is the trick? Okay. If we take the two, listen. If we take case one, what is case one? Okay. Okay. If we take the AB salt, for example, NaCl. Okay. The dissociative to use what? Na plus and Cl minus, right? Na plus Cl minus. If we take copper sulfate, CuSO4. To dissociate what? Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay. Now see the molecule. This NaCl gives what? Na plus and Cl minus, and CuSO4 gives what? Cu2 plus and SO4 2 minus, right? Now see the charge ratio. Please note the charge ratio. What is charge ratio for first one? For NaCl, what is charge ratio for NaCl? 1:1, right? For sodium copper sulfate, what is charge ratio? 2:2. Okay. When charge ratio is 1:1 or 2:2 or 3:3 or 4:4 mean, that case the ionic strength is equal to, okay, the A square into concentration. This is a trick. You got the trick? What is the trick? Whenever the charge ratio, okay, the charge ratio is 1:1, 2:2, 3:3. That case, what is ionic strength? A square into M. What is A? A means charge. A means charge. Now see the NaCl. What is ionic strength? I is equal to 1 square into M. What is M? Concentration. What is the final answer? M. You got the point? For ionic strength of calcium sulfate, I is equal to, what is A? 2, right? For 2 square M. What is M? Concentration. In terms of molality or molarity something, okay? See the question, they give the molality mean, you put the molality. See the question, they give the molarity mean, you put the molarity. What is the answer? 4M. You got the point? This is the first formula. Please note. You put the star. You put the star, this one. This is case 1. What is case 2? What is case 2? If charge ratio is different, if charge ratio is different, that case, the charge ratio is different mean, see, if we take AlCl3, out, what is the dissociation? Al3 plus 3Cl minus, right? What is charge ratio? The cation 3, anion minus 1, right? The charge ratio Cr is equal to what? 3:1. You got the point? If I take NH4 twice SO4, what is dissociation? 2 NH4 plus SO4 2 minus. What is charge ratio? 1:2. Okay. If you get the different charge ratio, what is ionic strength? Very important trick, easy trick. Okay. A into B square plus B into A square divided by 2. This is a trick. You got the point? Whenever the charge ratio is different, mean what is the formula? A into B square and B into A square. A means cation, cation charge, and B means anion charge. You got it? Now apply this trick to AlCl3. What is cation charge? 3, right? What is ionic strength? 3 into, what is anion charge? -1. But 3 into 1 square plus 1 into 3 square divided by 2. What is the answer? 3 plus 3 square 9. 9 plus 3 12. What is the answer? 6m. This I understand. You got the answer. This is 1:2, right? What is ionic strength of ammonium sulfate? 1 into 1 square. 1 into 2 square, right? 1 into 2 square. A into B square, right? 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 1 square divided by 2. What is answer? 2 square now 4. 4 plus 2, 6. By 2 what? Answer is, what is answer? 3m. You got the point? Okay. If charge ratio is same, what is the formula? A square into m. If charge ratio is different, what is the formula? A into B square plus B into A square divided by 2. This is a simple trick. Okay. Using this trick, we will solve all the ionic strength problem in entrance exam. If you go for JAM or Hyderabad entrance, okay, Delhi University, the entrance, okay, the ionic strength concept is very important. Okay. The alternatives, the question can ask in every year. Okay. Now discuss the question. Now see the first question. Okay. This is the first question, right? You see the first question. Now see. Okay. What is the first question? In aqueous solution, the containing the 0.0 m FeCl3 and 0.0 m SClO4 as an ionic strength as of solution. Okay. What is the full solution mean? Listen. They're containing what? 0.01 m FeCl3. This is a solution, right? Then plus what? 0.06 m of SClO4. Okay. Now, what is the charge ratio? Fe3 plus 3 Cl minus. What is charge ratio? H plus HCl4 minus. SClO4. Okay. Sorry. This is ClO4 minus. Now see the charge ratio. This is different charge ratio, right? What is the ratio? 1:3. For 1:3, what is the answer? Ionic strength is equal to what? 6m. What is m? 0.01. Y is equal to what? 6 into 0.01. What is the answer? I is equal to 0.06. Right? This is ionic strength of what? FeCl3. If you apply the concept to SClO4, what is the charge ratio? 1:1. For 1:1, what is the formula for ionic strength? A square into m. What is A value? 1. What is answer? I is equal to, what is A value? This value, right? A means charge, okay? A means charge, that not this concentration value. Up 1 square into m. What is m value? 0.06. Okay. This is the ionic strength of SClO4. This is the ionic strength of 0.06. They contain, they both are containing same solution, right? What is total ionic strength? 0.12. This is I total ionic strength. Now what is the question mean? In a aqueous solution containing the 0.0 m FeCl3 and 0.0 m SCl4 as the same ionic strength of which of the following? Now see, this is 1:1 ratio, plus minus. Upper same ionic strength. 0.01. Answer is 0.12. But this is not correct. You take this question. Copper sulfate. Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. This is same charge ratio. This is 2:2. That means what? 2 square into m. What is 2 square? 4. 4 into 0.06. That's 0.24, right? This is also not answer. See this 2. If I take this one, S3PO3, what is charge ratio? S3 plus PO4 3 minus. This is 1:3 ratio, right? 1:3. What is the formula? 6m. What is the given? 0.03 into 6, 0.18. But this is also not answer. Now apply this one. 0.04 m of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. What is 2Na plus plus SO4 2 minus. What is charge ratio? 1:2. What is the formula? A into B square plus B into A square divided by 2. What is a 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 1 square by 2, right? This is 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3m. What is concentration given? 0.04. But 3 into 0.04. What is answer? 0.12. Then which is have same ionic strength? Answer is B. The 0.04 molarity of sodium sulfate have a same ionic strength of the solution containing the 0.0 m FeCl3 and 0.06 SClO4. I hope everyone understand this question. Okay, it's a very simple trick. Okay, I go for next question now. Next question, some different manner. Okay, this is a different question. Okay. Okay. Now see the second question. The molality of NH4 twice SO4 solution that has same ionic strength of 1 molality per kilogram solution of KCl. In the question they given right, the ionic strength of NH4 twice SO4 that equal to what? The ionic strength of KCl. The statement is given in question, right? The statement given in question. Now see, for NH4 SO4, what is NH4? 2 NH4 plus SO4 2 minus. What is KCl formula? K plus Cl minus. In this question, what concentration is given? The ionic strength of what? The molality of NH4SO4 solution that has same ionic strength of 1 mole per kilogram of HCl. Okay, this concentration is given for 1:1 salt. What is concentration? M, right? M only. What is M value? 1. N value 1. Now see, NH4SO4 2 minus. This is 1:2. For 1:2, what is the ionic strength? We already discussed 3m. This is 3m, right? They are asking what? Okay, but 3m is equal to m, right? They are asking what? The 3m equal to 1. Sorry, 3m equal to 1. They are asking what? The ionic strength, the concentration of NH4 twice SO4. That is m is equal to what? The 1/3 mole per kilogram. Mole per kilogram. You got the answer. Okay. In the question, the both salt have same ionic strength mean we apply the trick. Okay, this 1:2 mean 3m, 1:1 mean m. Okay, for KCl the concentration is given, we put 1. For 1:3 salt, what is the ionic strength? 3m. They are asking what? The ionic strength of 1:3 salt, 1:2 salt, right? 1:2 salt. What is the answer? M is equal to the 1/3 mole per kilogram. Okay, now this is question for you. This test yourself. Okay, solve this question, give the answer in comment section. Okay, happy learning. See you tomorrow with good question.